Hey.
Hey. Yo.
That's it. Let's check this out. Let's do it.
Marie's.
Because the Brindies just ain't enough, so we'll go up here behind the Cotter on this ridge. It's a little extra bit. It's a pretty fun ridge line, that one. Dropping down to the river now, and we're heading off to Flea Creek. Something different. Sun is actually gone. Oops. Won't be long now, I reckon, and we'll be in pitch black, but we're going to try and camp at Flea Creek, and fingers crossed there's not too many people there, but get up nice and early, go for some forward driving and suss out the cliffs again, try and get to the top of the cliffs. This could be our spot. My little cooking segment.
You better be taping it.
Yeah, gonna tape it.
What's it called? Lewy's Weiners?
Cheese, bacon, shitload of milk, self-raising flour, and some salt. Bit of cheese, bit of salt, now milk. Now this is where it gets messy. Trivet, do it up like that, nice big ball, sit him in the middle. That's looking the goods. Hopefully it tastes like it. Meanwhile, over at the barbecue,
It's too hot. I think I need to turn it down.
turn the barbecue down.
Yeah.
Spuds, sausages. Click, Rudbrook.
I gotta turn the barbecue down.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Super Center. You could have at least put a bloody
Temperature.
dimming sensor, right?
Yeah, where's the barbecue plate with a dimmer? That's right.
Turn it down.
Comes to save the day. It'll get us through the morning.
Till we knock it out.
Here's the damper from last night. Didn't get the shot of actually us eating it. Oh, that looks amazing.
We're having a brekkie?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
We don't need bread. We need damper. Hey, stop eating it. It's for me.
Please go around.
Find your way back home.
The old Colorado just got stuck. Old Ledbrook reckons he can go straight through it, so let's see how this pans out. He did it easy.
Good day out riding the bike along here, wasn't it?
Ready, biggies?
Might have a GoPro.
Bit of phone video doesn't go astray. Phew. It's so open in here. She got real dense all of a sudden. But Ledbrook's done this before, making me a nice footpath. Oh. Found it. To your right, left, I mean. So this is Waterfall Creek. Not much of a creek, but we're gonna go to the edge over there.
This is going to be it. I can tell. It's going to be it. It's got to be it. Oh yeah, it sort of just comes down and cascades. See down there?
Mr. Wedgetail came for us with the drone. There he is. He came straight over. Ciao.
Rock on. Back.
Go back this way. Different way.
Find out.
What? Stand on it?
No, what makes it? Must be some bird or something. Wait, there's two of them.
There's another.
Maybe someone can tell us.
There's another one.
There is. There's three. Please, someone help. What are they? What are they?
Just a weird looking mound of dirt. Yeah!
Again, Lewy. We didn't get lost. Just twice.
Waterfall Creek. To the top and the bottom now. Oh, how's your legs going? Oh, I ate it! Oh.
Just a scrape on the. Just scraped.
More scraping. I want to straighten up.
You got three. You're on two. You were then. That's perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Game over. All done.
Beauty.
Another fun.
Thanks, dude.
A few scratches for my efforts.
Look forward to the video.
Yeah.